What is up sa inyo? Sorry. So, what is up sa inyo mga kamoto? At ngayon naka-helmet lang tayo pero di tayo alis.
Advance ako mag-isip.
So, kagagaling ko nga lang sa sakit. Kaya hindi ako nakaka-upload ng videos. So, dito lang ako sa bahay. Actually, medyo okay naman na ako, pero wala pa naman kasi akong pupuntahan. Kaya, dito lang muna ako. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is usapang warranty ng ating Mio Gear, no? So, ayun, babasahin ko lang yung yung nasa warranty guide. Tapos, yun, panoorin nyo lang. Kung may mga tanong kayo, feel free to comment. So, mag-start na tayo.
Are you ready?
And guys, so let's start. Actually, ito na yung warranty guidebook. So ito yung warranty Yamaha warranty policy. So ayan, makikita nyo naman dyan na. So basahin ko na lang, no, para sa mga ibang kamoto natin dyan na baka nakikinig lang. Ayan, Yamaha Motor Philippines Incorporated warrants the original purchaser of the unit that motorcycle shall be free from any defect in material and workmanship under normal use and maintenance conditions. If a problem occurs, YMPH will replace part and or compensate labor cost incurred in making repairs and or adjustments. Furthermore, inspection of the product must prove that the damage is attributable to the YMPH in order for replacement and compensation to be allowed within the warranty period. Yamaha reserves the right to make the final decision on validity or warranty claims, to determine whether any alleged defect and or service is covered by this warranty, to determine whether a defective part is to be replaced or repaired, and to determine whether the owner has complied with the terms and conditions of the warranty. So, ibig sabihin nito guys, na gusto ni Yamaha na dapat kung kunwari may sira, factory defect si Mio Gear or siguro any other motorcycle na binenta nila, dapat sila mismo yung magpapalit. At saka free dapat lahat. So papalitan nila yung sirang parts or free service, mga ganon. So ayan. Pero nasa kanila pa rin sila yung magsasabi ng final decision kung valid nga ba yung warranty, kasi baka mamaya nag-warranty claim ngayon, fault pala nung owner. So ang warranty period ng motorcycle nila is until 1 year or 12,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Na warranty transfer. If certain models being resold are still within the warranty period, the remaining warranty may be transferred from the original purchaser to the subsequent purchaser. So, kunwari, bumili ka, tapos within 1 year, so may warranty pa. So, yung bumili, sila na yung mag-a-avail nung warranty.
Nani?
So, yan, 1 year or 12,000 kilometers. So, 1 year lang yung warranty niya, mga kamoto.
Paano masabi?
Warranty registration, ayan. Pag bibili naman kayo ng motor, pagsasign nila kayo for warranty. Yan. So, owner's duties and responsibilities. So, owner must bring the motorcycle to an authorized Yamaha motorcycle dealer for inspection, maintenance, service, and adjustments according to periodic maintenance chart contained in the owner's manual. The inspection, maintenance, service, and adjustments are to be performed at owner's expense except free service checkup by YAMAHA.
Why are you crying?
Ayan guys, kung may mga ipapa-check up kayo sa motor nyo, kunwari ano na yun, parang sa inyo na yun. So may may free service check up siya hanggang 6 ata. Mamaya pag-usapan natin. So other than that, dapat kayo na mismo ang magbabayad ng mga service na papagawa sa motor nyo. Tapos next, the customer must quickly inform an unauthorized YAMAHA motorcycle dealer of any problem and have them inspect the motorcycle within 7 days of the occurrence of any problem. So pag may sira, dapat within 7 days dalhin na agad sa kasa, no? Or YAMAHA motorcycle dealer. Next, owner must present a copy of the warranty registration card service record to an authorized YAMAHA motorcycle dealer at the time warranty repairs are to be performed on the motorcycle. So ito yon, kailangan dala-dala nyo ito pag pupunta kayo sa YAMAHA dealer. Exclusion from warranty. So, ayan. Warranty claim will be null and void if... Okay. So, ito yung mga magvo-void ng warranty. So, una, any YAMAHA motorcycle used in racing activities. So, mga mahilig mag-race dyan, no? Defects due repair or modification done by employees of any firm or organizations not authorized by YAMAHA. So ito yung pagpapagawa na sa ibang motorcycle repair shop na hindi in-authorize ni YAMAHA. So ma-void yung warranty niyan.
Walang problema. Ba't ako matatakot?
Okay, next, defects due to natural calamity, turnover, overloading, accidents, and modifications. So, ito na yung sa owner na rin ito. Nasa sa kanya na kasi kung paano niya alagaan yung motor. Siyempre, natural calamity. Tapos, overloading, yung pag na-aksidente kayo, tapos yung mga modifications. Tapos, defects due to improper break-in procedures as recommended by owner's manual. So, may kasi sa owner's manual, may recommended na pag-break-in. Ngayon, kung hindi mo na sinunod yun, tapos may nangyari sa motor, mabuvoid na yung warranty.
Got it!
Tapos next, defects due to the usage of local or replacement parts other than YAMAHA genuine parts. So ito yung pagkakabit ng mga mga iba't ibang parts. So sabi ko nga, pag magpapagawa kayo sa ibang service motorcycle repair shop, pag kinabitan nila ng hindi YAMAHA genuine parts, tapos nasira, syempre mabuvoid na yung warranty. Mache-check naman nila yan. Number 6, defects due to the use of inferior quality or low quality of oil and fuel. Ayan. So, syempre, just like number 5, use YAMAHA genuine parts or recommended oil, yung YAMA lube. Number 7, defects due to the negligence of standard periodic service check-up. Ito yung ito yung warranty guidebook. So ito may mga date, 5th service 271 to 360 days or 12 months. Ayan. So may dito dapat pinupunta nyo sa Yamaha yung mga motor nyo for check-up, service check-up. Ngayon, pag hindi mo nadala doon, tapos nagka-problema yung motor, void na yung warranty.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, next, in number 8, defects due to the incorrect manner of servicing on the part of the service shop. Yun nga, pag nagkamali yung motorcycle repair shop sa labas ng pagkakakabit or pag-re-repair ng sasakyan nyo, automatic void na yung warranty niya. Next, defects due to the incorrect manner of storage or handling while in transit. So, sa owner na ito, no, kung mali yung pagdadrive nyo or mali yung paglalagay nyo ng mga gamit sa motor, yun, kasalanan nyo na. Or, mavovoid na yung warranty. Next, lubricants and parts considered as consumables entity rated due to normal wear and tear unless they are needed as part of the warranty repair. Ito yung mga consumable parts. So, syempre pag service check-up kayo, pag may nasira tong mga ganito, hindi ito free, kailangan nyo ng bayaran. Pero hindi mavovoid yung warranty nyo, parang syempre pag yung mga stocks nasira na, kailangan kayo na yung bumili, babayaran nyo na to sa kasa pag pinalitan nila.
Walang bayad-bayad yung kaibigan ko yun. Kaibigan mo!
Yan. Tapos ito, liability. Basahin ko lang, no. The liability of Yamaha Motor Philippines Incorporated under the warranty term is restricted exclusively to the remedying of defects in genuine materials or workmanship done by an authorized Yamaha motorcycle dealer. Yamaha shall not be liable to any expenses incurred for loss of use of the motorcycle, transportation, communication, meals, personal injury, or property damage, whether direct or incidental, substantial or consummate arising in with the use of or inability to use of the motorcycle for any purpose. Yan guys. So, sinasabi lang naman ni Yamaha dito is yung warranty niya is for for yung mga genuine parts at saka yung workmanship ng Yamaha motorcycle dealer. So, dun lang kung may problema, sasagutin nila yung consequences, or kung may kunwari faulty yung nilagay na parts, syempre papalitan nila for free. Tapos kung nagkamali yung nagre-repair, syempre parang parang magko-compensate sila sa owner. Tapos pero other than that, yun nga yung loss of the motorcycle, use of the motorcycle, transportation, communication, meals, o yung mga nagastos nyo, o yung mga nangyari sa inyo para magpa-repair, mga ganun, ay hindi nasagot ng Yamaha. Okay. So guys, ito na nga pala yung sinasabi kong free service coupon. So, yan yung nagamit ko na yung isa nung nagpa-change oil ako. So, free service yun, no. Ang binayaran ko lang is yung langis na nilagay, na pinalit. So, ito yung resibo ko, no. Yun, ito yung nagamit. Yan. So, ito yung total na binayaran ko. 370. So, walang bayad yung service nila, no. Kaya, free service coupon.
Walang bayad-bayad yung kaibigan ko yun. Kaibigan mo!
So, yan. Tapos na yung first check-up, tune-up, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So, yung second check-up, is pag naapaabot mo na ng 1,501 kilometers to 4,500 kilometers or 31 to 90 days or 3 months. So, kahit anong araw dyan, pwede mo nang ipa-second check up or tune up. Yan. So on and so forth. So, ayan, makikita nyo naman. Kaya sabi ko hanggang 1 year lang. Yung 6th check-up for FI cleaning nyo lang siya. So, yung after ng 1 year, balik ka after a year ulit. Ayun nga, sabi ko, ayan sa number 2. The 5th coupon, 12 months, and 6th coupon, 24 months is intended for FI cleaning or when specified operating distances is attained, whichever comes first. So, yun nga. Yan. So, ayun na yung mga warranty. Yan. Second service. So, tapos na ako sa first.
Yeah, boy.
Ito yun. Yan. Free service.